Just like a little woman, what she doesn't like. I drown in the river with the captain at night. I say, baby, baby, just let me be. I didn't know it'd come to this when you leave me. I had a woman, 'cause I've had a woman. So I talked to Jack to see what he thinks. He looks at the sky, turns to me and winks. How do you do? Oh, no, no, no. How do you do? My hand is heavy and I'm tired, 'cause I've been waiting for you 13 hours to call my phone. Your head is dizzy and you're tired. You've been avoiding me for 13 hours. I just don't know. This is not how it's supposed to go. This is not how it's supposed to go. Is the faster your air comes it goes. 'Cause I think the oxygen you take will replace my plans for you. 'Cause even if I try, I can't hold back my eyes. I'm dying on the inside, 'cause I'm on this train that runs reckless with aims that targets the way to bring you home. Don't let me go. Let go. Let go. Don't let go. Don't let me go. And don't let me go. And don't let me.
Thank you all. We're Shotgun Honeymoon. Thanks.